Okay, and I think I'm online. Hello everyone, Little Big K here. And today, I'm gonna be playing a game called Noob Army Tycoon. I have a perfect upgrade army, and now I'm gonna go into war. And I don't know who that was, but yeah. Anyways, let's go. It's been a while since I played this because of well, it being too easy. Yeah. So, yep. Yeah. It should be like a lot of hours or months to like get it fully upgraded, but yeah. Yeah. I have vehicles and stuff. I tried my best to do. I was doing my best to do other units, but which is fine. Right now I can see Khan 330 is trying to win, but not on my watch. Oh, I just noticed his head was gone. What is that? Actually, Squad D, go there please. Squad D needs to check it out. Like, what is that? Huh. I think it's some kind of thingy that does things. I never seen this before, so that's why I'm getting to it too. Maybe I get a share of money from this, maybe? Because this looks cool. So, well, my army's doing stuff. Thank you. And thank you for 15 subscribers. For 15 subscribers. I really appreciate that. Anyway, go and see. Just want to say thank you. Right now my army is obtaining whatever that is. Whoa. Oh god. Actually, I should be surprised. You tried to mega treasure. Ah. Okay. Don't ask me how I got research points, which is 1 billion. Don't ask person. It took a really, I don't know how. I've been trying to get away to waste that because I got too much research points right now. Anyways, as you know, I'm working on like the worst 8 right now. Trying to make it perfect because the other ones were just very, very low. If you catch my Chris there. I don't think so. Anyways, right now, for today, I'm gonna try to get 2 wins right now, so yeah. Anyways, this is the full set. Well, I never knew about these robots until I saw these. You know? And if you tell by that, it kind of looks like there's another either right there. And I'm scared to know what that is. And I do not. I don't know. Yep. So like I came from Manager all the way to Rail Gunner and Filter, going to Mini Gunner, going down all the way to Elite Rope on Mini Gunner, and then Filter to all the way to Elite Filter. I don't know about the Death Filters, but yeah. And it looks like the people up there not on the board is not very good. I don't know what's happening with the board. It's like quickly, what is happening? I don't know what happened. I'm gonna see what's happening once I get something. Anyways, does this look cool for the base? Because I got it from the Halloween special. Anyways, hang on. There's some things I haven't completed yet. There we go. Gotta go back. Another chest? Yeah. Why is there another one now? So I don't know why the other sector came to me, but oh yeah. Some of them have low culture. And I'm not being mean or anything, but yeah. Not being mean, but yeah. You know what I mean. Because I know once they come over here, they're just gonna like seal it down like as a sheep. Oh, it looks like green soldier is also going to. It's just not gonna be fun for them, but I believe on them. Maybe they have a good. Is that how they do it? Yeah. Oh. Forgot to do it. What's another treasure chest? And another one that I forgot. Plus the helicopters right there. They're like taking them down like it was nothing. That's perfect. I'm really confused like where they come from. No. And I died. It's like I'm gonna choose daily challenge. Because I want to do a challenge for today. Still, thank you for 15 subscribers. If we keep this up, I think, yeah, like I said, if I get 50 subscribers, I'll do a special video. It's either the finish the Lego Wars 8 or just something random. But I will prepare a special video for 50 subscribers. There could be more I could do in the future soon. You know what I mean? Yeah. I don't know what's gonna happen to that, but I wish them a good luck today. I don't know if the Red Noob is where we're good, everyone teams up, or I don't know. I'm gonna have to wait and see. So right now there's two sides of red, and right now my units are coming. Yeah, tell by that, yeah, we're not teaming up. There's something over there. nothing over there. There we go. No, they're both gonna be able to like stop bad guys, you know? You know, I wish it was like super elite robots like these guys. Anyways, let's see how they're doing battling Redness invasion. I know they're probably not gonna survive, but you know, I wish them the best of luck. Hopefully. Anyways, the squad for A is just a robot soldier, robot railgun ×2, a minigunner, the juggernaut, and a heavy laser thingy. And squad B is elite robot soldier ×2, a death soldier, a robot minigunner, heavy multi-rocket artillery, and a heavy stealth bomber. Squad C is the robot soldier, robot railgunner, robot minigunner, death soldier, a protector vehicle, and gunship. Squad D is always my scout team, cause you know, because I always like pick them to like catch all the area points, which is protector, phantom scout, robot railgunner, elite robot minigunner, cloak tank, and heavy supply vehicle. Originally, the stealth one was supposed to be like, hey, supposed to be like I don't know, like I can't say a good word for it. It's just like Okay, I don't know what I'm saying. I'm gonna delete that because I want to make it easier for those guys over there. Oh, I can see that the person got more soldiers. Good for him. Yeah, I kind of knew that the drone would not survive. Plus, another one's coming in soon. So, good luck for them. Oh. Catch them in time before he almost like shoot them down. Nah. This mobile tablet is like not doing good. Probably in the future, either I'm grown up or somewhere I can learn. I can like, I don't know, like, maybe like figure out how to like maybe do some animations or something. I don't know, you'll just have to see in the future. For now, let's do this. God, that's a lot of health for a gunner. Oh, now they got more soldiers. They're scouters. Yep, they're like, let's get them, let's beat them. Actually, I'm gonna try the voice. Hey guys, let's go, yeah! We're gonna beat those rush. Come on, let's go, yeah! Yeah, I got it! Yeah, I kind of knew that they are not going to survive. It's like, imagine like you command an army like this, and they're like, oh, they just resetting them. Oh, it's those swords guys, and those new, and that new one gunner. Maybe soon they're gonna try to like get over there. You know what? Just to make it easier for them, I'll move A to back to my base. Just to make it easier for them. Even though I know that they're just gonna go bam, 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 like that. Again, now I'm gonna make it easier to just like respawn the army, have no air or boats. Okay. I'm a nice person though. I'm just doing it for good reason. There we go. I don't know what's with the chest. Oh, they're gonna take it. It's fine. I'm not gonna survive. Oh, yellow joined the team. Ouch. Oh, he just survived like Kimberly, like a man. And they're not gonna survive, so good luck. Good luck. That's interesting. What just exploded him? Oh yeah. Kind of cool how they're like, whoa. Those metal sword mates are like a man until they got accelerated. Oh, he's back. He's like, yeah, never mind. Anyways, I have faith in blue and yellow's gone. Okay. Again, I got faith in them. Let's see how they're doing. There's the scouters, okay. Long guns, mini guns, the tiny guns, the heavy swordman, and the regular swordman. Actually, yeah, I'm gonna have a... Wait. Oh yeah, that's the D team. Put D there. Oh, that's new. And put A. The problem is like the way it's okay. Actually, now I realized it. Put D back in the middle. I just realized the square was probably also gonna take over. Let me check. Oh wait, no, it's not green yet. It's blue. Sorry. Yeah, so ambulance and electric dude. Oh shoot. Yeah, that's not good. Not sure if they're gonna survive. Oh. Okay. Oh, boy, looks like we'll do that. No, squad A's gonna go there. That they just like being there, you know. Right now I'm gonna like try to like keep that. Oh, he just got up ahead. Oh yeah, I had to check. There's ambulance, electricity noob, battle force soldiers, a supply vehicle, anti-air rocket, repairman, multi-rocket tank, heavy anti-air vehicle. Oh. Yeah, get back there, Red. Get out there, teammate. Because they just gave up. What's happening over here? Oh, those are the phantom scouts. Okay. So by that, what? Oh no! Oh no! Okay, the squad A and B, C there. Okay. Oh no! God dang it! Oh the anyways, I'm gonna get going now. I hope you like and subscribe to my channel right now, and I'll be seeing you and then next time. Also, they're gonna need help with. Anyways, have a good day. Like and subscribe, and bye bye.